Before this video starts, I just want to say this whole process of me making the header was live on this channel. If you don't want to miss any other live streams, make sure to turn on that bell so you get notified when I'm live. With that out of the way, enjoy the Speedart.
A few years being a fraud, now it's my profession. Spent a few years hiding my flaws, but this is a confession. Spent a few years drowning in vodka, it was an obsession. By the end I was only a pump, that was my progression. Now I don't care, but I don't care. Now I don't care anymore. Now I don't care, but I don't care. Now I don't care anymore. Waiting in lines, now they waiting on me. Spent a few years nursing red eyes, now you see the real me. Spent a few years spinning these lies, hoping that they'd heal me. In the end I'm just chasing that high, I know you can feel me. Now I don't care, but I don't care. Now I don't care anymore. Now I don't care, but I don't care. Now I don't care.